one with a door to get out, I mean. But time to go play in the snow. All right, we are all plowed out. As you can see, the ground isn't frozen yet. We actually got late snow. We've had a few snow. We've had a little bit of snow this year so far, but way below what we normally get. And hasn't had a chance for the ground to freeze. So right now it's just every time the first layer of plowing is mud. So, but we got it all plowed up. Got a path shoveled to the barn. I'd say we definitely got over a foot of snow. Well, this is the first week of rifle season here in Pennsylvania, and I got my buck during archery, and so I can still get my doe, but in Pennsylvania, the first week of rifle season, you can only get a buck. Because we probably, in Pennsylvania here, our hunting laws are so ridiculous. It's probably some of the worst in the United States. We can't hunt on Sundays. Well, they gave us 3 Sundays finally this year. You know, the Crown gave us 3 Sundays. How nice of them to hunt on our own land, you know. So, one during archery, one during rifle, and one during bear. But it's pretty sad when you have your own land and and you can't hunt on Sundays. You can't hunt doe the first week of rifle. It's incredibly insane here. So this Saturday coming up, I'll be able to go out and hunt, try to get my doe. Got a lot of deer out there, a lot of doe. So see what we can do. But first major snowstorm of the year. We've had some snow, but none like this. So I think tomorrow actually is supposed to be sunny and around 40. So a lot of this is going to melt. Look at that beautiful, beautiful creation. Well, thanks for watching, y'all. Take care. God bless y'all. Stay warm.